Equals, does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS15M1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The MSI MS15M1 may experience warranty issues due to various factors such as hardware malfunctions or software conflicts. If these problems are not addressed promptly, they can lead to further damage, potentially voiding your warranty and causing more extensive repairs. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage during the repair process. Begin by safely opening the device. Use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel, ensuring you keep them organized. Once the panel is off, locate the failing component, which is often the battery or the motherboard. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the component, taking care not to damage nearby parts. When removing the faulty component, apply gentle force and ensure you are using the correct screwdriver size to avoid stripping the screws. After replacing the component, reassemble the device by reversing the steps taken to open it. Make sure all screws are tightened securely, and reconnect any cables you previously detached. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent these issues from recurring, ensure your device is regularly updated and avoid overloading it with unnecessary software. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.